Mm. Mm.
First order of business,
Lunch. Kakain muna kami.
yes. So,
Ayun talaga yung pinunta namin dito.
nakapag-rest na kami. It's now 12 p.m. Kain muna kami. And we're going to...
Bala!
Yes.
And hindi ganun kainit. Ang saya! Start na mag-autumn.
29 degrees actually. So,
Compared to yung last travel natin, parang nalalagdag yung temperature.
we went here last July. Mainit. So, buti na lang ngayon, hindi na mainit. 29 degrees. And we're going to Malahatpat.
Tara na!
So, dito kami sa same Mala as last year. So, di alam namin na vlog na namin to. Pero, ang sarap kasi talaga ng Malahatpat. So, we're back here at Malahatpat. And we got the collagen and spicy soup. Hindi naman daw sobrang spicy. So, we already made our dipping sauce. So, the way you order here is with the QR code. And ito yung prices nila. Ang lunch nila is 698, but since it's a weekend, it's 798 siya. You have 7 soups to choose from, but they only accept cash. So, sa QR code, nandyan yung mga beef niya. You choose what you want, and then send order.
Let's try what's this? I don't know. Basta yun. So, dip natin dun sa spicy broth. And then, dun sa ginawa kong dipping sauce. Umutay, sarap. Go to Malahatpat. Highly recommended.
Dipping sauce.
Right.
Super good. Flavorful ng beef. So kahit na-vlog na namin siya before, walkthrough ko kayo sa makikita dito sa Malahatpat. So marami dito yung mga balls, mga fish cake, and mga tofu. Yan. Nandito din yung ibang mga mushrooms, and then may seafood, other meats, nandito din sa area na to, plus some of the vegetables. Yan. This one is Angus beef curry, and then white rice right here. Kunti na lang. Plus some furikake. Andito sa side na to yung mga sauces like sesame oil, soy sauce, vinegar, may teriyaki sauce din. And you can mix and match the sauces para sa dipping sauce. But there's also a suggestion here, or there are suggestions here para di ka na mag-iisip ng pang dipping sauce mo. The drinks naman are right here. May mga soda, may Calpis, Milo, there's coffee, different kinds of tea, pwedeng, ayan, natural. And then, mga soda, meron dito. Plus, they also have beer. So, may different kinds of beer right here. And yung favorite part ko dito is the ice cream. Unlimited din. Ayan, may mint chocolate, espresso, caramel. Sobrang dami. They have Movenpick and Häagen-Dazs ice cream here. So, you can also choose if you want cone, or if you wanna put it in a cup. So, super dami ng options dito. And aside from the ice cream, they have other desserts here like pastries, may mga parang cake, and tiramisu, and meron mochi, mga bars, and then other dessert, there's pudding right there, and meron din silang mga fruits, so cut of fruits like watermelon, may longan, pineapple, and all of these are super fresh also. So while eating, nilapitan na nila kami to ask for the payment. Again, they don't accept credit cards here, which sinabi naman nila before kami umupo. And our bill is 1,756 NTD.
With 10% service charge.
Sobrang sulit na siya kasi we have 2 hours. 1 hour lang busog na kami. So tapos na kami with the savory. We're going to dessert na. Napakasarap sa malahat.
Yes. Hindi naman unlimited Häagen-Dazs and Move and Pick na ice cream. And nandun yung flavor na gusto ko, yung chocolate mint. And highly recommended talaga. 100 out of 10. Ay, lahat pa.
And yung beef, prime beef, yung beef nila, kahit yung pinakamura, may Angus, may Australian beef, may lamb pa. Sobrang sarap, sobrang sulit. 1,756 NTD for the 2 of us. Kasama na doon yung
10% service charge.
Yes. So, highly recommended. Chop recommend ang Malahat Pot when you're in Taiwan.
2 thumbs up!
Pati toast.
Kasama paa. Hindi lang toast, pati paa. Buong paa.
So, ngayon, plano namin pumunta sa Maokong Gondola. Ikot muna kami going to the MRT station, Siminding. Siminding kami dadaan. Let's go!
Tara na!
Punta kaming Maokong Gondola eh. Na-distract yung kasama ko sa ABC Mart. So, tingin muna kami ng shoes.
So, ayun, maglo-load na lang kami ng card namin dito kasi mukhang mas hassle pa kung bibili kami ng single journey ticket.
So, insert the money. Next step. And that's it. You already have your card loaded. We're looking for Banan Line. So, hindi naman mahirap sumakay ng train dito sa Taiwan. Actually, para siyang Japan or Hong Kong or Singapore. So, you can look for this to find kung saan kayo pupunta. And yung pupuntahan namin is Taipei City Hall. So, we're on the right track. If yung pupuntahan nyo is nasa kabilang side, and you have to go down. Nasa baba yung track niyan. But we're good here, City Hall. Let's go wait for the train. So, pagbaba ng City Hall, follow the signs. Going to exit 3 to Sinyi's Shopping District. So, that way, papunta yung next station na sasakyan natin.
Nakaalala ko na yung mahabang lakaran.
So, samahan nyo kami. Going to Maokong Gondola. Galing kami ng Cement Station. So, lalabas kayo here. Kailangan nyo i-tap yung EC card. So, here's the EC card.
It's 25 NTD from Cement Station to Taipei City Hall.
Okay. So, upon exit, bus pala yung next natin. We're looking for BR18. So, paglabas nyo, turn left. And, nandun na yung bus stop. So, this is the bus stop, MRT Taipei City Hall Station. And we will ride bus 18. Yung bus station nasa gitna ng daan, and then you have to cross. Taipei Zoo is on the left side. We're going to Maokong Gondola, and that one is on the right side. So medyo mahaba-habang lakad yung pagbaba ng bus going to Maokong Gondola. So kailangan namin ng payong. Kasi ang lalakaran ay walang habong. I'll show you. Ayan. So diba kung nandito kayo ng tirik yung araw, mangingitim kayo. So kailangan may payong.
Yes. And ang maganda dito, hindi ganun kainit.
Yeah,
diba?
kahit may araw, hindi ganun kainit yung simoy ng hangin.
Tolerable siya. So best time to go to Taiwan is starting September.
Yeah.
Palipasin niyo muna yung summer kung ayaw niyo talaga na sobrang init.
True that. May part naman pala na may shade. Liko kayo ng konti sa kaliwa. Cute pa kasi may mga photos ng animals ng zoo. Kung may kasama kayong bata, may playground doon. Ayan. Yan, nandito na kami sa Maokong Gondola and we got our tickets via Klook.
And so, if you want to get discount, you can use our promo code CHABEXPLORERS-KLOOK.
Yes. So book nyo rin yung inyo via Klook. Let's go. Sakay na tayo ng gondola.
Tara na!
ticket.
Okay, so you just scan the QR and you can get your tickets. Tara, sobrang dali and convenient lang niya. Let's go! Papunta kami dun sa platform ng gondola. We got our QR codes. Niscan lang yung galing sa Klook. So easy and so convenient. Pero malapot na kami. Ang init, mga besh. Mga chubs. Mga chabibis. Apakainit. But the weather here is more tolerable than when we went to Japan. So
mag-CR muna ako.
carry naman. Ayan, may CR dito. Dala namin yung cooling wipes from Japan. And then sabayan ng fan. Napakasarap! Press ko na ulit! Gondola station. Yung unang station is Taipei Zoo. So, pwedeng sumakay doon yung mga galing sa zoo. Hindi ko lang sure kung pwede bumaba doon to go to the zoo. We have fans here in case mainitan kayo. Ayan, pwedeng hiramin at magbaypay. kami sa Maupo Station. Mahaba din yung gondola, no? May mga 30 minutes din yung ride niya. Yun lang, hagdan to. Dahan-dahan lang.
Dahan-dahan ka tayo.
Baka
Mga
kami
eksena dito.
gumulong-gulong. Bumalik kami sa station sa baba. So, yung ticket dahil papel lang siya, pwede nyo siyang lagay sa lalagyan nyo kung meron kayo. Ayan. Nag-work din naman siya. Papel lang kasi baka mawala, mabasa. So, yan. Ang ganda dito, medyo mas malamig ng konti ang temperature. Mga malamig ng 1 degree. Hindi pa.
Ang laki ng difference, no?
So, we're here. Explore natin ang Maupo
Medyo
Station.
pataas to. Naparad ko sa isang vlog. So, lakad sila pataas.
So, may High Life convenience store sa dulo. Pili tayong water at nauuhaw na kami. And aircon siya. Pero hindi ganun kalamig. Bili tayo ng maiinom. Ayun na si Chap Tony. Water.
Water is for 28 NTD. Kaya na lang mag-convert.
And kuha kong Pocari Sweat. Water break. Pocari Sweat. 29 NTD.
And water.
Water. 28 NTD. So, medyo mainit. Pero, again, hindi masakit na klaseng init. So, carry lang. And maganda dito. Madaming greens. Welcome to Maokong. Tingnan natin anong meron dito. Anong magagawa dito. Ang weird eh kasi mainit pero may nararamdaman akong hangin na medyo cool somewhere. So we're looking for Taiwanese sausage. Alam ko meron dito eh. Tawid tayo, dahan-dahan. Ayun! Okay, so we're gonna try pork and rice sausage. Pork and rice sausage. Thank you. It's super hot.
Super hot.
Yeah.
Ihaw pala yung
Ihaw daw. Inihaw. So we got the pork and rice sausage here. And they said that the way to eat it is you have to twist from below para umangat siya. So try natin. Alam ko mainit pa pero sarap ng sausage. It's good. And may mga ice cream shops here. At dahil di pa kami nagsawa sa Häagen-Dazs, mag-ice cream pa kami. Ice cream is for 90 NTD each. Ice cream comes with a handmade tea cookie. There's the ice cream.
So, try natin yung the most popular ice cream. Sabi nung nagbebenta. Tikman natin kung ano lasa. Lasang green tea. Lasang matcha. Sarap.
Highly recommended. Sarap. This one is a tea biscuit. Ang sarap. I guess kaya siya nasang matcha kasi tea din siya. Kulong tea. Oh, I like this. This is yummy. Yeah. Super sarap ng ice cream. Actually, ang dami niya. And medyo nahirapan akong ubusin. Nahirapan ka ba? Ako lang pala yung nahirapan. Ako lang pala yung nahirapan. Medyo nahirapan ako ubusin. But that's good. Pero sana nakishare na lang pala ako with Chabibi Tony.
So that's our first full day here in Taipei, Taiwan.
Hey, so we'll end muna our vlog here. Ang dami naming nagawa. From Manila to Taiwan. Nag-bus kami going to our hotel. Nag-hotel tour tayo and nagpunta kami dito sa Maokong.
And open pa yung cafe namin before yung flight namin. So nag-work muna kami before yung flight. Siyempre, work din pag may time para may panggala.
Yes. Oh, and nagmalahat-pat nga din pala kami. So, super sarap.
Super sarap.
So, we booked our hotel and Maokong Gondola ticket on Klook. So, if you also want to book your tours and your hotels on Klook, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Klook
to get a discount on your booking.
So, don't forget to subscribe to our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
Yep. So, we'll leave you here for now. We hope you had fun watching this video.
Don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Tan-tan-tan!